So the day is finally here. I think I've kept you guys and myself waiting long enough, to be honest. Let's do it. I've got no running water here, so I'm washing the car again. I wonder if it will grow. I hope not. It's already too big. Let's go! Is that how you say it? Oh, and sorry if you don't like the music. It was either this or experimental acid jazz, so... This is going to take ages. Oh yeah, she's coming through now. There's a lot of shit in the paint now. And really this is why you need the clay bar, because it's rough. Like a record. I'm going to go over with some stuff for the chrome and for the trim afterwards, so I'm not really worried about getting a little bit of compound on it. So obviously the next thing is, I'm not sure exactly how shiny the red has to be. Obviously it's not supposed to be patchy and still pink and rough feeling like it is, of course. But in terms of actual shine, like as in how much of my reflection I should see in it, you know, how much of a mirror shine it should be, I'm not exactly sure. Because it's a solid red, single stage paint, you know, for those of you that don't know, normal paint, modern paint, you'd have your base coat and you'd have your lacquer. Old paint like this, it's just one layer of paint that goes on and there's something in it to give it a shine to it. So it's basically, there's no clear coat. It's just paint that goes on and it looks shiny. There's something in the paint that makes it look shiny. Way too much. I think I'm going to need 2 bottles at this rate, the way I'm going. Yeah, you probably need a polishing machine, to be honest, to do this properly, to get the right finish. I can't buy a polishing machine here, an electric one, because I don't have power, but I could certainly use the battery powered drill and just go over it with that carefully, so I don't go too crazy on it and take off too much paint. But doing multiple passes with this anyway, I'm running the risk of doing that, you know, anyway, so. It's definitely red, isn't it? Not pink. That's the main thing, because my partner, Miss Involvo'd, who some of you, well, most of you have seen before on previous videos, she said, well, if you can get it red again, then we can keep it. If it's going to stay that horrible pink colour, then it's going. So we can keep it, because we know it's going to be red, even if it's shit red, even if it's blotchy, patchy, misty, pinkish tone kind of red. Red is red. So looks like Ruby the Wagon is staying after all. Yeah, so there we go. So now we've got the red team and the blue team. But yeah, so obviously we've got a long way to go. Keep putting too much on the cloth. When people say it's difficult to achieve the results you want by hand, this is exactly what they're talking about. Oh, now. I can't believe how much more car I've got left to do. Feel dizzy after that. Just with red in your eyes, nothing but red, and doing this for I don't know how long I've been going for now. I feel really spaced out, like looking around and seeing other shades of colour like green and blue. It's like, yeah, very strange. Right, so there we go. I'm going to leave it there. You don't want to see me and the trees. I'm sure you want to see the car, or maybe not because it's not finished. I wanted to do it all in a video, get the whole car done, get it finished and be like, wow guys, look at this, look how great it is. But yeah, I need the video out by Sunday. I've got to edit it tomorrow because it takes me about like 2 days to edit a video. Things do look better on camera than they actually are to the naked eye. I'm sure this looks absolutely busting on camera, but really it's not that good. It is red, and compared to how it was, massive difference, but you can still see, I mean, yeah, the paint feels rough here. We need to sort that out somehow, but you can see blotches, even especially basically where it was faded the most is where it's worse, you know, unsurprisingly. So you've got a lot of pinkness around here. This is all still a bit pink around here. Look, it's going dark, and that's also part of the well, that is the reason why I'm stopping for today, and that's about as far as I can go for this video. But yeah, I mean, like here up on the higher parts of the door there's some more pink blotches, whereas down at the base of the door where it wasn't as faded, it looks really nice. I mean, it's like I'd just, you know, I'd be happy to wax that and that would be it, you know. Hold on guys, let me do something quickly. Let me do something. It's got to be done, hasn't it? Looks like a burger, doesn't it? A Volvo burger. Just throw a trim on. A filthy trim. Man, that wheel is crusty. So there we go. Yeah, obviously still a lot more to do, a lot more elbow grease to put into this thing. It's hard work, but it's really satisfying as well. I am having a lot of fun doing this. Just to see the transformation, it's amazing. So yeah, you guys that have done a bit of compounding before, let me know what you think. Give me some pointers if I'm going wrong somewhere. Yeah, and actually, in future videos, you'll see it just suddenly appear pink again. And that's because I've already started recording some other jobs on the car, but I'm waiting for parts before I can finish those jobs. So yeah, it's just going to all of a sudden be bright pink in another video, but just to let you know, so it's not like it's, you know, just gone back to how it was, sat out in the sun and it's just faded pink again straight away, or the polish has just not worked and it's just reverted back. No, it's because it's footage that I've shot a while ago, so I need to finish off as soon as I get the parts for it, and there's a big list of parts. So yeah, but all that's for another video. I'll stop waffling. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. Until next time.